Whole... I recruit. Yeah, that's unfortunately not... it was a thing of beauty. Whole team moving like clockwork. Perfect execution.
What the fuck?
Echo Foxtrot, come in. Got one naked male individual. No sign of excess partying or alcohol. Over.
Maya Parvati is down. Good work. That is Sean Rose, terrorist turned insurgent. Sean Rose confirmed down. Nicely done, 47.
Where did he go? JHQ, this is Alpha 6 Actual. Over. There's a troublemaker out there that needs to be stopped. Don't rub it in my face, man. I could have gone to Mexico.
That guy, Torres. I don't care what kind of detail he's got going on his house. I could have taken him out. He's
Okay. Command, thought I heard something. Checking it out. Over. Top dollar. Oh. Yeah, you're the man.
His services are in demand at the moment.
Appreciate your enthusiasm. I checked those. The first thing I did.
Of course you did. I'm so dumb. Sorry.
Ezra Berg has been eliminated. Good work, 47.
Come on, come in, come on. Yeah, I'm here now. No, nothing. It's quiet here. Over. Roger that. Come on, you copy? I'm at the location now. I have nothing to report. Over. Affirmative. Moving on. Out. Watch your six. Understood. Roger, command. Nothing tangible yet. Still looking. Will do. Out.
Why is he hunting me? Help me!
Big Cat, I've arrived at the location and it looks clear. Over.
I get it. We gotta go! Follow me!
Yeah, I hear you.
Come on, you copy? Don't land out, cover fire line. VIP has been compromised. Stop that bleeding. The bullet's been hit.
I got eyes on him right there!
Not visual on target, Delta. Move to our front position. Fire up! Got nothing here. Get a beat on him. Move. Looking at him right now.
Regroup!
The plot thickens.
Someone's in a hurry.
Sean Rose was not the Shadow client. That much is clear. Whoever commands the militia, they got out just in time. Look around, 47. We're getting closer.
Some kind of network. Power players. From all sectors.
Familiar faces, too. Thomas Cross. Klaus Strandberg. Ether. And that's missing banker Eugene Cobb. Oh, well.
There's a name. Providence.
What? No. No, it can't be.
The hidden hand. Thought they were a myth.
A hypothesis, nothing more. The idea that a small cabal of kingmakers, controlling enough corporate and political leaders, could effectively run the world in secret.
Maybe not so hypothetical.
Keep looking, 47. We need full disclosure.
Someone's done their homework.
Look how far it dates back. Hayamoto, Beldingford, Delvade. The Shadow client has been tracking you for decades.
Now, how is that possible?
It isn't. Every one of those missions were branded as unsolved or accidents. He must have been looking for a pattern, a certain MO, which would mean...
He knows me.
Well, at least this shortens the list.
Found something.
Sodas? But that would mean... Providence has infiltrated ICA. And Eric Sodas is their operative. Bastard! It all fits. He was the one who persuaded the rest of the ICA board to greenlight this operation. This changes everything. Get out, 47. We got what we came for.
What about the Shadow client?
He is no longer our primary concern. ICA has been compromised. I always wondered if Providence was real, but I never actually... I will need to confer with the board, but mark my words, 47. This will have consequences.
Rose is gone.
It was me, wasn't it? They tracked me. I don't believe it. I took every precaution.
Rose knew the risks. They all do. You did well, Olivia. I am proud of you. Now listen. The ICA knows about you. They kept you alive because they needed you, and now they don't. We won't talk again. Not until the storm is over.
I don't like it. This man, you know what he's capable of. You need to end this now.
I ran away as a boy. My friend and I. Away from that place. We came upon a small farming community. The people were dirt poor, but this woman, she took us in. We were awakened the next morning by the shots. A dozen people lay face down in the snow. Our warden didn't like to leave witnesses. They shot the woman and her family last. They made sure that we watched the whole thing. This is your gift, the warden told us. Your gift and your curse. Touching lives only by ending them.
You know him.
Better than anyone.